Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss very different topic, and this is a novel which is written by Sachi Deshpande, and she's very famous, novelist, author, and she always portrays her character in an entirely different way with different dimension. And the title of the novel is "There is the dark has no terrors." So as you can feel the essence of the title, there's something very full of tragedy and some kind of melancholy feelings is in it. So here we the main theme of the novel is alienation, that we always feel about that, but in the going to understand the theme of the novel, the basic the theme, the major theme, master theme of the novel is alienations, and some other themes are Indian society, patriarchy, and kind of rebellion, and so on. So, if we see the novel, we can understand that the protagonist of the novel, the center, which the in the center of the novel around the protagonist, and in how she feel about that isolations and with the society as well as herself. So this is the main concept we are going to explore. In this particular novel, The Dark Had No Terrors, the story revolves around the Sarita, whose nickname is Saru, and Saru was facing various problems as Indian girls face in her life to, prove themselves. So, when she born, her parents was not happy because she want to male child, and after that, her struggle has been started, and how she overcome with this, in which way she her character has been shaped, so we can let's see. So she was not happy because her parents was not giving attention and love to her, and after some time the birth of her brother Dhuru and entirely changed her life, because after the birth of her brother, she feel more neglected. Sometimes she also feel jealous with him because parents were showering her love and affections to all to the brother Dhruv, and she was feeling neglected, and her birthday was celebrating in a very common way. On the other hand, her brother's birthday was celebrating with great enthusiasm and puja and lots of food items and so many other things, and he always feel very special, and on the other hand she always feel neglected. During this period, a sense of rebellion, she's developing a sense of rebellion, she become rebel in her life as well. And once a very tragic incident has happened with her, and she has no idea that how her life is going to be changed, how is her life is going to be transformed. And she lost her brother, and he drowned in a pond, and when she come back, her mother shouted on her, and she said to her that why you alive, and you are the culprit who killed my son. And these words were hurting her a lot, and she always remember all these words, always all these words are coming in her mind, and she was feeling a guilt, a sense of agony and isolation as well. And then we can discuss about the when she grows up and she's trying to take admission in medical college, she want to pursue the medical degree. Then her father was happy to see to her caste, and he's also not a brahman and not a very rich person. Her mother is not allowed to her that you should marry to her. She said that you will never ever be happy with him because he's not a brahman, he's not a money, so why are you going to marry with him? After getting married, sometime for some time all things were in a right way, and she was feeling very happy with her husband. And she become mother of two kids, one son and one daughter, and simultaneously she also pursuing her dream and career. And she become a good doctor and getting lots of respect in her community and in surrounding. But when she become doctor and getting lots of attention from the society, her husband feeling very jealous to her, and throughout the day he feel normal, but at night he become a criminal, and he create lots of physical abuse to her, and she was not able to accept all these turbulence in her life. After that, she went to her father, and her mother was died. First time, this is the first time when she opened her to discuss something with her father, and her father also, shared that you should not think about the past. You should go, and you should move to in your life, and you must discuss all these issues and problems with with your husband. And one more thing is very important about the alienation, that in the after the independence, in the time of after the independence, the people, the female counterparts are getting lots of degrees, and they also become doctor, teacher, and pilot, and so many things. But something was really ridiculous, that they were still under the control of the patriarchal society, the norms of the society, forcing them to adopt all these responsibility as a mother, as a sister, daughter, and wife. And the first and foremost expectation, which is from them, that you just first of all you need to look after your family, and then after that, if you have time, or time, energy, then you can pursue your dreams, your career as well. So they are always hanging between two dilemma. It creates lots of agony and anguish, and sense of guilt, that am I good daughter, am I good wife or not. They always feel, they always loaded with a sense of guilt, which is really very negative impact on their mind. So things were changed, but not so much. Now they still, we are looking around us, that the women are trying to create a great balance between their personal and professional life, and it is not easy to create a balance. So here, which kind of solutions Sachi Deshpande is expressed, that we must be take the female counterpart as a partner. Both of them, male and female, think about each other as a equal partner, rather suppress to each other. So this is a kind of you can say solution which we can take out. And on the other hand, everything is not so much easy, and we have to create a great balance among the all this responsibility which we have. But somehow we need to some support of family, and a kind of mental balance, so we can definitely make the things better. And one more thing is Sashi Deshpande is explored in this novel, that the protagonist of the Sashi Deshpande is modern Indian woman. She's not going to surrender in the odds of the life or tragedy of the life. Apart from that, she is very strong and have a good willpower to stand and confront all these issues which is coming in her own way. And how she is going to deal with that, this is a main point of the theme of the concept of alienation in this particular novel. So at the end of the novel, she is not going to die. She's not going to do suicide, in any kind of isolation. Rather, she is finding the middle path in which way she can run, she can go, and also create a great balance between her, responsibility being mother, daughter, and wife, as well as being a doctor. She has some responsibility toward the society and the nation. So she can also maintain that level. So these kind of phenomena we can explore in the Shashi Deshpande's novel. And this is a modern woman who has some power to face all these problem of her life, and she also have a problem solving attitude. By using these attitudes, she can handle all these problem. Might be she feels sometimes very isolated and a kind of a sense of guilt, but on the other hand, after some realizations, she can also adopt all these changes and have a strong will to change her life and to lead a life in a way that she doesn't want to do any sacrifice, and a self discovery, who am I, what I'm doing, why I'm living. These are the questions which is arises in her mind, and how she's finding the answer of that questions, and how she's applying some concept to make her life better, and her life as well as the surrounding better. So these are some phenomena which we can find in the novel, and it's really very interesting novel, and it is also relevant for the contemporary you know time, because we all facing same problem if we are working as well as housewife. Together we are we are under control of the patriarchal norms, which is not so much good, and we need to enhance the our mental concept and perceptions, and need to broaden our mind, as well as the society needs to wide the ways in which the female counterparts can run and can achieve their goal as well. And I hope this lesson will definitely helpful to all of you, and thanks for watching. I will come back with something new and different.